In this video, we're going to take a look at the Plant Flashcards application, which is available on the Google Play Store. Simply search for Plant Flashcards. This is a simple application with one main screen and just a couple of auxiliary screens as well. When we open Plant Flashcards, it's going to randomly select a plant and a plant photo, and then it's going to give us four choices where we can say, okay, I know what this plant is, and we can select the appropriate choice. Now, if it's a plant we don't recognize, we have a couple of options. First of all, we can swipe to see additional pictures. And you see in this case, we have a detail picture, which is the flower, and then we also have a picture from a distance. So I can take my best guess at this. It's not a leatherleaf mahonia. It's not a bush monkey flower. Could it be lobelia? Yes, it is lobelia. And what you'll see is when I make the correct choice, it increments the number here on the thumbs up. If I were to choose incorrectly, it would increment the number on the thumbs down. Now, if I want to see another plant, I have two options. I can tap this button again and it will automatically refresh, or the other option is I can hit the refresh button up above and that will select a brand new plant picture and a brand new set of names that I can choose from. So in this case, I'm going to say, well, gosh, I don't know. Is it Virginia bluebells? I'm correct, and we see that the counter goes up to 3. I click again, get a new plant. Now, this time, let me intentionally choose the wrong name. Let's call this one Hens and Chicks. So I say hens and chicks. Notice that the incorrect answer lights up red. The correct answer lights up green. Again, to get a new plant, I just click on any button, or I simply click the refresh up above, and that will give me a new plant. Now, this plant that we chose is Dahlia Hybrid, so I click on that, and let's say, gosh, I really like that photo. So I can click on the photo, I can zoom up and I can get more detail on the photo in case I need to look at the leaf or the flower and determine exactly what plant it is. Then a simple click back will take us back to the main screen again. Additionally, if I want to find out more about the plant, I simply click on the status down here at the bottom, and it opens in a browser more details of this plant from plantplaces.com. So give this just a moment and we'll see details on the Dahlia Hybrid. And there we go. Dahlia Hybrid, we can see details about the plant. We can see the picture that we just saw. We can also see where this plant has been GPSed. This particular specimen was GPSed in Paris, actually. So we can see some information about that. We can see GPS locations and the like. And then simply click back to go back to our original screen. Now, as we use the app, we might say I want to focus on a series of maybe a subset of plants. So I can get to settings either by left swiping, as we see here, or by clicking on the little dots up above on the title bar. Either way will take me to settings. Once I'm in settings, I can say, you know what, I just want to focus on trees. I don't really care about shrubs or flowers. And from now on, we're just going to see trees. We can also choose a difficulty ranking. We can choose easy, medium, or hard. Additionally, note that Show Duplicate Genus is unchecked by default. You can select this, and what that will do is that will show you two species from the same genus, potentially. It will allow the application to show two genus from the same species, which is a bit more challenging. If you don't just want to know, is it an oak? You want to know, is it a red oak or a white oak? Then tick this box, and you'll see red oaks and white oaks put together. But by default, that box is unchecked, so you'll only see a maximum of one oak in the list of possible answers, and a maximum of one maple, so on and so forth. So a few different things that we can set, but overall, I think an easy app to use, and one that I use to help myself memorize plants. So I hope this has been helpful. If so, definitely please leave a review on the Play Store, or please leave your comments, or absolutely get in contact with me. I'd love to hear how you're using this app and how you can use this app, how we can improve this app. I will note that since I've changed it to just show trees, notice that the options that come up, so we have a mahonia, an oak tree, a pine, and a juniper, all of them in the woody plants category. So just by changing that setting, I'm now only seeing woody plants. So that's the app. Again, I appreciate your use of the app. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you very much.